Wrong.
All right.
Movie.
Okay, Terrell. So we got a box. What do you think it is?
Cocaine.
What do you think it is?
That.
What do you think it is?
I think it's an enemy controller.
Go back to Aladdin. Aladdin, what do
So
you think is
we
in
have
this
a box here today from a special group of people. I don't know if this camera will focus on it, but that says Konami. They sent us some stuff. We're gonna open it. We're gonna see what this is.
Maybe it's a slot machine, like the monster.
Hey,
think
no,
the monster's
hey,
in this
I
box.
think it's like a model of construct. It's a fucking like bottle figure of construct.
No, a
That's
cardboard
what
cutout of Yugi. No.
Yeah.
It folds out. It folds out.
Oh, that's trash. You don't want any crinkles.
Oh, yeah, true.
Let's find out exactly what this is right now. So this is our box from Konami. You can read it right up here.
Really?
We're gonna open this. So Randall Hull. I don't know who that is.
Isn't he the?
No,
But Konami Digital Entertainment
Okay, all right.
in El Segundo, California.
Thank you,
From
Konami.
Mr. Konami
Sent
himself.
to me. Please don't send me too many Facebook requests. Be nice. Okay, alright, so Terrell, I give you the honors.
Let's do it.
We might have had some drama about knives before this video.
Some drama.
You guys don't have
A little
to.
bit.
It was funny.
You guys don't have to know about that.
So Alex is missing a finger.
Exactly. Some people lost some limbs.
Let's go.
Oh, look at this.
Wait, what's this? I know what this is.
Okay, so this is actually, I remember seeing this somewhere.
Hey, I think we wanted to get a copy of that.
We've been wanting this forever.
Alright,
What
so
is this? I don't even know.
Alright, oh wow.
Can you open it? That's the real question. Do we need the knife again?
No, okay, I think
Put it away.
Yeah, put the knife away.
You look nice happy up here.
Okay, so.
So I think it said Duel art. Huh?
Here it is.
Dual art book.
Oh God, let me have more. I'm trying to give it mine.
This is
I know the bubble wrap.
the Kazuki Takahashi Yu-Gi-Oh! Illustrations dual art book thing.
It looks pretty cool.
So is this
This
what
one's-
every card is ever drawn, or?
I think it's a collection of them.
It looks like one of those books you buy at the book fair.
Wait, if you open it, Paul, the resale value.
Yeah, well, no, you can buy this at Books A Million, I think.
Oh yeah, go for it.
Can you use your knife again, actually? I don't want to.
Y'all couldn't see that, but he had to open it in the flashiest way possible.
I don't touch knives. I've too many knives in this house already. Crazy people I live with.
I'm the sharpest tool in the shed.
Yeah, we are the sharpest tools in the shed. That's. Let's spin it
Why
like
we gotta
that.
be in the shed though?
Actually, you are the shed, so you hush.
Oh,
Shouldn't we be the sharpest tools in the field?
Okay, so.
Shed.
wow,
Cold.
wow, Alex.
This is the Kazuki Takahashi Yu-Gi-Oh! Illustrations dual art book. It's got Yugi in the front and Yami in the back. That sounded weird.
Yugi on the streets? Yeah.
It's like a mullet.
So
Business in the front, party in the back.
Starting.
I know what I just saw. I know what artwork I just saw. Keep turning.
Okay, so
Ooh, that's some great artwork.
monster,
Right?
dragons, demons, magicians, swordsmen, and even gods. These monsters cover the whole spectrum. As a duelist soldiers, they can pretend either destruction or redemption, reflecting the truths of human nature.
Yu-Gi-Oh has never been about this like for a very long time.
What do you
Yeah.
mean? What do you mean, Cosmo?
I mean, I see what you mean though. Like Yu-Gi-Oh isn't about all the dark stuff anymore. So this is just a collection of
Hey,
arts.
stay right out.
That's pretty nice, actually. Just found my new tattoo.
Yeah, you've got some dark
The
magician
card we
girl.
don't have.
Yeah, she's not released here, so
Magi.
you get to.
Hey, is that censored Dark Mission Girl artwork or is that the actual one?
I think it's
That's
if there's a Kazuki art book, I'm guessing it's not censored because he's pretty like big on not letting his art get
Buster
censored.
Blader.
That's Celtic Guardian.
Yeah, so these are basically his. I love this Jinzo art.
Hottest art.
That is the ugliest skull, summon skull.
You know the fun fact
It's
when I
more
was
realistic.
when I named this channel, many people don't know this. It stands for Android Psycho Shocker,
Which stands for Jinzo.
and that's what Jinzo's name in Japan is. This is the art that made me want to name the channel after Jinzo. So
I have a copy of that one.
And he
kind of
sent
a cool
straight away
thing.
from Jinzo. He doesn't even like Jinzo anymore, you guys.
yeah, I don't play this card anymore. And there's some other cool arts. Ooh, look
Oh,
at her.
full body.
Look at them.
I was a magician?
Yeah.
You see them abs?
Oh,
What?
crazy.
When did magicians
Some
start
other-
working
He
out?
said he
I
lived.
liked him.
Shiba Warrior.
So
Toru.
there's several, I'm guessing, just different arts in this book.
And there seems to be
Some
oh,
manga
even, like,
panels,
concept art.
sketches.
I saw Obelisk.
Oh
Some,
snap!
oh
got
wow!
all
Like
the-
yes.
Oh my
like
God.
Yami
Oh.
Merrick and
Obelisk is so
and
much better.
Zork Necrophage.
That's me.
Woo!
Pharaoh. We got some crazy.
Your
stuff going on.
Zork, the dark thing to be.
So like, oh yeah, it just like has all the different Yugi, Joey.
Rio.
Seto Kaiba, my favorite chair. So yeah, pretty cool. Good stuff. This is the back. It's got Yami, and the front's got Yugi.
And that's the end of the video, guys. That's all
Yeah,
they
so
sent.
that's it. That's all they sent. All right, so we'll set this to the side. Now we have.
Bubble wrap, more bubble
Is it a
wrap.
personal letter?
We
Is it
have
gonna
a
mention
letter?
me by name?
Is this from Pegasus?
Really?
This.
The
But not
fuck is
yet.
this?
Heck is that?
Okay, so this is from Tommy
Well, they done
Williams.
sent us a Ouija board.
Sent
We're gonna conjure up the.
We'll conjure up Yami Yugi.
Hello, as you may know, Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links is celebrating its 1-year anniversary this month. You guys play it, right? So y'all know.
Yes.
As a small token of our appreciation for all your support of Yu-Gi-Oh! And Duel Links, please accept the contents of this box. Our team recognizes your passion for the franchise and are excited to share our gratitude with you for being a fan and member of the community.
They know it.
You better recognize us.
Inside this custom wooden
They've
crate, you
been
will
watching our
find
videos,
rare
stealing our ideas.
Duel Links items and a few trading card gifts to supplement your Yu-Gi-Oh! TCG game. We hope you enjoy the contents of the crate and hope you can put them to good use. Please keep a lookout for our celebration video in the coming weeks. I think I've actually seen that. I believe it's up now.
We came up with the new Gemini support before they did.
Which will highlight milestones and impressive stats from Duel Links over the past year. We hope you can share it with your friends and community when it comes out. Thank you again for your support of Yu-Gi-Oh! And please feel free to reach out if you ever need anything. Kind regards, Tommy Williams, and he's got his signature
We might
here.
want to hide this.
So this is actually he sent us his business
Giving
card.
him out his information.
He's on LinkedIn. I added him. I mean, but okay, can we talk about real quick how awesome it is that Konami like actually thought like enough of us as a channel to like send us? I mean, because Konami never talks to anyone. You know what I mean?
That.
Well, you gotta tell me that.
Yeah. So I mean, like, I don't know. I think that's awesome. And then they even like sent a letter. I'm sure it's the same letter that
They
every
said
other
there's
people
things in
get.
this crate that we will need. So
Yeah.
is that like vodka?
Maybe the Millennium
It's a
Puzzle
wine
here.
casket.
So let
I like it.
this is okay. Now we
Show
can
me
move
my
this.
Millennium
I want to
Puzzle.
say on camera now though, if this actually is a Ouija board, I'm leaving this video.
If it's a Millennium Puzzle, it's mine. I said it.
This
My lips to God's ears. Okay.
this is
Wait, which god? Ross? Like,
Judgment Dragon. Okay, so awesome custom Duel Links wooden box panel thing. It's like legitimately wooden.
Hey, this about to be some Duel Link shoes. What's up?
Yeah, imagine
Oh, yeah,
that.
they got those Dragon Ball Z shoes coming out?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not shoes, damn it.
Okay, so
hey,
we
they
get
could still be
some.
some shoes.
Move this awkward. This is gonna be
This
awkward.
got awkward. This got
Okay,
awkward.
all right, okay. So
Oh, no shit.
they sent us some things. No shoes, unfortunately. I could use some.
Oh, no.
But
Ooh, confetti.
yeah, and that's actually what the real video is all about.
That's
The
it.
most
We're
important
going to
thing.
go through each piece. And
Is there a record on
So-
this? Is there a record on this?
This is a Duel Links, I guess, advertisement. Just telling you to download it, play it.
What's on the back, though?
Some facts, a fact sheet. So it brings the popular Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card game to life on iOS and Android devices. Duelists will kindle the spirit of Yugi, Kaiba, and other beloved characters from the Yu-Gi-Oh! Franchise
So Rekindling is coming out in Duel Links.
in competitive card battle action. Maybe it is.
That's what I just caught from that. I don't know what you guys.
So yeah, check out Duel Links, guys. It's actually really fun. Alex, you guys can tell. I mean,
Yeah.
it's actually a good game.
It is. It's pretty fun.
So where's the free card code? Seriously.
Don't be ungrateful.
Link Strike Structure Deck.
Hey, we opened these.
we opened this on
Yo,
the
check
actually
out the
opened this.
video.
Yeah, be sure to watch that. I think I opened this with Trell, and it's even talking about Duel Links, so they clearly want you to play this game.
Yeah.
And then we get some booster.
Did they come up with Link monsters before or after they came up with the name Duel Links?
I want the decode talking.
It's a good question. You can, yeah.
I mean,
Alright, so
I think we can talk about
some
that.
packs, 4 packs of
Four?
legendary
Four
duelists.
things.
Or,
So everybody
There's
gets
also
one.
more of us.
We'll check
What
that out
are
here in a
the
second. We
they
get
know.
a
It's a
Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links
That's the wrong kind of
200,
puzzle.
200 piece puzzle.
Paul's gonna put that together on camera.
We should do a live stream.
We could
of us
live
playing.
stream it.
Okay, guys. Hey, 1,000 likes, and we'll put this together in a live stream. We will do it. Like on camera, you guys can watch us struggle. I guess this is the image.
Probably. It better be, otherwise we're just doing
200
it
pieces
blind.
though. This is gonna be a struggle.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
I've done like a 500 one before.
Some,
It took a while.
some custom sleeves.
Hey.
Well, you know,
Yugi, Kaiba,
they
Jin.
aren't those the legendary sleeves.
Yeah, Yu-Gi-Oh! Legendary card sleeves. How did you know that's what they were called? Was
Because
that like a line?
I have some.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I have some of those.
We get a two.
Is that one of those double deck boxes?
2 removable tray deck.
I like
used to
those.
have this.
I
Wait,
like
you
those.
still do.
Yeah, I was. This is nice. I like it.
Yeah, those are usually really nice. I like them.
Okay, now this is what I'm really
What is
excited about.
this?
A little custom
Matt,
playmat
Matt,
promotional
Matt,
item.
Matt,
What's this
Matt,
all about?
Matt.
Oh my god.
Alex, why
Are you
on me?
okay?
Get off of me, boy.
So I'm
Take a
not gonna
brief
lie,
intermission.
man.
This is really nice.
Legit.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Got the Pharaoh and Jaden, who is
That
recently.
crispy artwork.
I mean, I don't really agree with Jaden being on there, but it's okay. I'm not gonna be a hater.
I've always loved the whole like blue motif, like the blue kind of technical data-looking digital thing.
Because you a Crip.
Yeah, maybe. But
We don't associate with gangs here.
So yeah, this is the
Says the
man
God of Fraternity.
whose color is blue.
Wait
So
a minute.
all right, and then last but not least, I thought this was a mat tube, but now I'm starting to think maybe it's
A
something
poster?
else.
It's a telescope.
Let's see. I gotta pull this.
It's a telescope, so you can always see where the Pharaoh is.
It's
Yeah.
just an empty rose.
He's watching.
I'll
wrap-
show you the harder cards.
Oh,
Wait, there's
okay.
something in
We're
there?
gonna have to frame this.
Frame what?
We're
What
gonna
is
be
it?
careful with this.
We don't have no space for this. What is this?
This is a poster.
Wait. Do we get to color it? We get to
Wait, are
color.
we supposed to color this?
I don't know, but we can. Now we can do this on stream. We can
Then
color on
this-
stream, people.
We can make a stream out of this video.
I will
Or
color this
we
on
can
stream.
send this to an artist.
I just want y'all to know right now-
Professionally color it.
Cobble's about to be black.
They're all gonna be black. Everyone on this poster is gonna be black.
Oh, guys, we can uncensor mine.
That's true. I can add cleavage.
Thank you, Konami.
So
For giving us-
Konami gave us the right to do it ourselves.
Basically.
the right to duel
awesome.
ourselves.
That is
I don't know
cool.
what we're gonna do with
Come
this, but this is like we could frame this.
gonna color
we could,
this.
We could definitely color this.
Yeah.
Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links. I think it'd be cool if it came already in color, but this is actually a good twist.
Though the flip is, we always send it to get it commissioned by a professional.
Nah, we gonna color it.
Yeah, I don't know.
We're gonna color it.
So this is awesome. That's a custom Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links.
That's pretty cool.
And is there anything else? Is the ban list hidden in here? What if it actually
You know what?
was?
The ban list is actually on all of these, but you gotta put it
Yeah,
together.
you like put it together in the right order. It'll like. The ban
Trail
list will
stops.
show
He
up.
sees the word construct. I'm good.
Alright, that's all I need.
That's the real Ouija board. So yeah, this is awesome. I honestly did not. This is crazy. Like, thank you, Konami. Shout outs to.
Look at that artwork.
This is pretty cool.
It's better than all my mats put together.
Minus Jaden.
Really good.
Thanks a lot, Tommy Williams.
This is not that bad.
Some sleeves, a puzzle. If you guys want to see us do this, maybe we
And the coloring, because I want
link strike structure.
I just want to color now.
An art book. It's like they're telling us to color it.
It
They
is a
gave us
nice
some
art
art book and then there's some packs. Now, in this video, I do think we should probably open these.
It's open here. It's
Why
open
not?
right
Give
here.
us
do
some
it.
packs, all right?
One for each
Okay,
of us.
so this is actually Legendary Duelist. You guys might know that Legendary Duelist 2 is coming out very soon.
Pegasus.
In just less than a month, and it has some support from like Pegasus and stuff. This is the Joey one. We were thinking maybe we could do some tag duels with some of the decks from like this set.
That could be
And maybe
cool.
some of the decks coming out in that next
That would be
pack.
the only thing that make me pick up Red Eyes again.
Would that be something that the viewers would want to see? Let me know.
You want some of that Bat Fisherman deck, guys?
Oh, wait a
So,
minute.
alright, let's see what's
You
inside
calm
here.
down, sir.
Some of the Red Eyes cards in here are worth a fair bit, so.
Because no one pulled the pack.
Amazoness Archer, the Legendary Fisherman, Ryoku, Legendary Ocean, and Megaroid City.
Oh, I can build Roy.
No
This is like
secret.
The NFL?
Wait, this set didn't have secrets, did it?
It had ultras, like supers, maybe? Legendary Fisherman 3, Oxygeddon, Red Eyes Retro, Water Dragon Cluster,
Woo!
Hollow, Sea Stealth Attack.
It's not good. Well, it's a decent card, but you can't build a deck around it still.
Not yet.
Yeah.
I
Give
tried.
it time.
I tried to. It's not easy.
Fight number 3.
Use chemicritters, aren't they like chemicals?
Red
kill
Eyes
you.
Bee Dragon, Sergeant Electro, Water Dragon, and Ultra. Emergeroid Call? Oh yeah, Roids too.
I guess I'm building Roids. Who wants to see the deck profile?
Yeah, Emergeroid Call. I had never seen
He'll
this.
build
I
it
didn't
right
know
now,
it
guys,
existed.
just for you.
I've never seen that
If we
card
get enough
before.
likes, I'll actually build it. I'll actually put it together for the channel.
And the last pack, Sphere Kariba.
And I'll make it actually-
Bonding H2O, Ryoku. Darn it! Legendary Ocean, and Bonding D2O.
Alice is gonna build Water Dragons.
Hey,
Yeah.
I'll try again.
Hey, let's do
So
this.
we did get some hollows, so not bad. All right, that's it for the vid.
Yeah.
Show them the lid again.
Yeah, so I guess I should maybe end this on that note. I really would like to give like a big. Where's that?
Behind you.
Behind you. Thank you,
Shout out to
Konami.
Konami
Yeah, that was
for
what's up.
sending us this. This is honestly awesome.
We gotta find something to do with this box.
As you guys know,
Yeah.
Konami's never really like interacted with YouTubers. It's not really a thing that they do.
Or made boxes.
So yeah, or made this type of
Wooden
stuff.
boxes.
So I mean, it's definitely really cool. I hope that they do this in the future. I mean, the letter did say. He said, "Reach out if you need anything in the future." So
Oh, we will. Maybe maybe this type of thing they can do it monthly. You know.
yeah,
As a mystery
I'll
box.
take some boxes.
Yeah,
from
mystery crate would be
Pegasus
kinda cool.
every month. That'd be cool. Lots
Yeah,
of
they
fun.
could even mark it as gifts from Pegasus.
Yeah. Pegasus dual box. You're not damaged.
You're a move, Yugi boy.
So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was really fun. Hopefully we can do this more. Wink, wink. Tommy Williams. If you want to send us more, you can. All right. Guess that's it. What'd you guys think? What do we?
I think it was pretty
This
awesome.
has been pretty A1. Alex is
Mine
gonna
is
end
Jaden.
Alex is gonna leave here and read that art book cover to cover. So
Well, yeah, I am.
it's a good
This is
video.
awesome.
I'm really excited about coloring that. I just want to put that out there.
Yeah, I'm excited about putting this puzzle.
I can't wait to see this Matt in videos.
All right. Well,
Yeah.
it's gonna be it. Thumbs the video if you liked it. Subs for more Yu-Gi-Oh, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Past that.
Peace.
See ya.
Squad!